Hi friends, this is Anuja bringing you February 2021 love reading for my singles and couples. I'll be doing the reading for all the zodiac signs. Okay, I'll be using the Romance Angel cards from Doreen Virtue. And remember friends, this is general reading, so it may or may not resonate with all. So we'll start with our first sign, that is Aries. Let's see what's there for our Aries. For the singles, one card for singles for Aries. One card for Aries, please. What's there for Aries singles? Okay. Wow, it's true love. Great. This is the romance of a lifetime. See. Maybe for the singles, you may have found your true love, or some of them might find their true love for a lifetime. This is the message from the universe. So be prepared. Okay. Now let's see for our coupled Aries. What's the message for the couple Aries? Okay, thank you. Here is the chemistry. There is a strong magnetic attraction here. Okay. So for the couples also, it seems there is a very strong bond between the two persons, right? And they are happy. The chemistry is really good. So great going for the couples, Aries. Okay, now one card for our Taurus for singles. Taurus for singles, one card for Taurus singles. One card please for Taurus singles. One card for Taurus singles. Okay. One card for Taurus couples, please. One card for Taurus couples. One card for Taurus couples, please. Okay, thank you. Fine. Okay, for the singles, Taurus, we have here, let your friends help you. Ask for and accept support from others. Okay, so this is the message from the universe. It may be that you may love someone, or you may like somebody, or you may want to propose someone. So if needed, please take help from your friends, right? Or if you want to take any decision in your love life, for the singles, you can ask for help and accept the support of others, right? Or maybe new love entering in your life and you are confused upon that, what to do. You can take the advice from your friends, right? Okay, and for the couples Taurus, we have here worth waiting for. Divine timing is at work in your life, in your love life. Wow. So here's the message for the couples. Maybe there might be some issues between both of you, or there might be some desires you may be wanting, right? So the divine timing is at work in your love life. If there is any problem or there are any issues that are going to be solved, so have patience. Okay. Okay, so my Gemini singles, passion, allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. So here it's a lot of passion in your relationship, whether you are already in the relationship or you are going to be in the new relationship, right? So just open up your heart and your true feelings with your partner and have faith in each other, right? And let the relationship blossom. Great. Okay, for my coupled Gemini, new love. A new person has stirred your romantic feelings. Here, I can see the third party situation, right? It might happen that a new person arrive in your life. For the couples already married, you may meet somebody new, or you may have some romantic feelings, some love feelings for a new person. Or for some of you might have already in another relationship, right? In a new relationship, in spite of being married. So please take care. See that you do not spoil your present relationship because of this new one. Take care. These are the red flags, which in future might spoil your future. Okay, my married Geminis. So this is it. Okay, now let's see for what's there for my Cancers, singles. What's there for my single Cancers? What's there for my single Cancerians? What's the message? Okay. Okay, what's the message for my coupled Cancerians? What's the message for my coupled Cancerians? Okay. Thank you. Fine. So for the singles, Cancer, romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Okay, this is for some of you who might have fallen in love or experienced a new love in your life but hesitate to speak or hesitate to express, right? My dear Cancerians, for singles, for some of you, your feelings are real and you need to explore it to your partner, right? To your new love. Just express yourself, open up. Okay, for my couples, Cancerians, passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. There might be issues for the couples, right? Might be some issues in between the two. You can resolve it, right? Just give time to each other and allow your heart, open your heart to your partner, right? And feel your partner give that romantic gestures, right? And your love life will definitely blossom for the couples. Take care of each other. That's it. Okay, now let's see what's there for Leo, singles. Okay, we'll take this. Okay, what's the message for Leo coupled? What's the message for Leo coupled? What's the message for my Leo coupled? Okay, thank you. We'll see first for the singles, Leo, finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. Okay, so the singles, you might have found a new love, right? But you are not expressing it due to some financial issues, right? You do not want to go ahead due to your financial condition, right? It's okay. Take a break. Just try to improve your financial conditions. And for some of you, definitely the love, a true love, soulmate connection will be there for you, even if you have issues right now. Okay? So please take care of yourself and focus on your finances and career. Okay. For my couples, Leo, heart-to-heart conversations. Honestly discuss your feelings with each other. Okay, this is a good one for the couples, Leo. You need to discuss your feelings with each other to have that passionate relationship, to have that strong relationship, and continue with that. So if there are any issues, any quarrels, please try to resolve it. Remember, every relationship is a synergy of blended energies. Try to resolve your issues. It may seem the issues might be due to children in the couple for some of you, or any other issues, financial issues may also be there. Try to solve it. Talk to each other. Conversation is necessary. Okay? Now let's see what's there for our Virgo singles. What's there for Virgo singles? One card for Virgo singles, please. What's there for our Virgo singles? One card for Virgo singles, please. Okay. One card for Virgo couples. What's there for Virgo couples? One card for Virgo couples. One card for my... Okay, thank you. Okay, Virgo singles, you deserve love. You are lovable. Okay, this is for all my Virgo singles who feel unloved, right? Who feel people do not love you, do not care for you, but the existence is there for you, and there is a message: you are loved by everyone. Love yourself, and you also deserve love. Don't be in that negative situation, negative mode of thinking, I do not deserve love. Everybody is lovable. Everyone deserves love. Right? So come out of that dilemma. Come out of that negative emotion. You are lovable. And this is the message from the existence for singles. Virgo. Okay. Now, for my couples, Virgo, finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. So this is for the couples, right? For the Virgo couples, some of you might be in some tension or in worry, or you might not have time for each other due to financial issues or due to career issues. You might be busy in your career, right? However, how much you are busy, just give time to each other. Converse with each other. You need to spend some time with each other, right? To build up a strong relationship forever. Okay. Now let's see what's there for our Libra singles. One card for Libra singles, please. What's there for Libra singles? One card for Libra singles. What's the message for Libra singles? Okay. What's the message for Libra couple? One card for Libra couple. Thank you. Okay. This is for Libra singles. Codependency. Addictions are affecting your romantic life. It might happen for Libra singles, you might have some addictions, right? Regarding the relationship. This seems you are already in a relationship with someone, for singles, Libra, and there are some addictions, there are some codependencies, right? There are some expectations from each other which are affecting your romantic life. You do not understand better what is going on in your relationship. Just try to avoid your egos. Keep aside your egos. Keep aside that expectations or any type of addictions to experience a beautiful romantic life. Okay, my singles, Libra. For the couples, you deserve love. You are lovable. Okay, for some of you Libra coupled, those who may think they are not getting enough love or they do not deserve love, people are treating them in that way. Just remember yourself. You deserve love. You are lovable. Love yourself. People are going to love you. And if there is any negative energy around you, negative people, by which you think yourself you do not deserve love or you are not lovable, just cut off the cords with them. Cut off the cords. And just get up and charge yourself. Okay? And in the relationship, whether husband or wife, for both of you, some of you might feel my husband does not love me, or wife may feel or the husband may feel wife does not love me, or there is not enough connection, enough love between us. Am I not lovable? But remember, just converse with each other. You need to talk. You need to have that romantic gestures, romantic feelings. Just try to sort out what is there in between you both, right? Okay. Scorpio, let's see what's there for Scorpio singles. What's the message for Scorpio singles in the love life? Scorpio singles. What's the message for... Okay. Let's see here. Okay. For the couples, Scorpio couples. One card for Scorpio couples. Okay. Thank you. Okay, let's see for the Scorpio singles. What's the message? Give your relationship a chance. Work on your partnership. Okay. For the single Scorpio, you might be thinking of the breakups for some of you. But still the existence is giving you a message to just give a chance to your relationship. See if you can work out upon the issues, right? Try to sort out. There might be some misunderstandings, misconceptions, right? Just see, look upon that. Try to resolve it. Okay. For the couples, Scorpio, children. Your love life is being affected by children. There might be some issues regarding the children for the couple, Scorpio, right? For some of you, your children might not listen to you or might not go the way you want, behave the way you want, right? Or might be the reason for the quarrel between you both. Or for some of you, you might be wanting children in your life, right? There might be some issues regarding the childbirth or the pregnancy. Or your children might need you. Or your children, for some of you, might be facing some difficult situation, right? Going through some difficult time. They need your attention. Okay. One card for Sagittarius, please, for singles. One card for Sagittarius, singles. What's the message for Sagittarius singles? One card for Sagittarius couples. One card for Sagittarius couples. One card for Sagittarius couples, please. One card for Sagittarius couples. Sagittarius couples, what's the message for Sagittarius couples? Okay. Sagittarius single, true love. Wow, this is the romance of a lifetime. So the love you have in your life is true. You have found a true love, a true partner, a great romantic relationship. Or for some of you singles, you might find very soon the true love of your life. Great. Okay, Sagittarius, for couples, soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. Great. You might be feeling, for some of you, you might have doubt whether this is your soulmate or whether this connection is true or whether this relationship will end forever. Right? So this is the answer from the universe. This is your soulmate. You have that soulmate connection with each other. And try to bloom it. Try to blossom it. Great. Now for Capricorn singles. What's there for Capricorn singles? Okay. What's there for Capricorn couples? What's there for Capricorn couples? One message for Capricorn couples, please. One message for Capricorn couples. One message. Okay, thank you. Okay, Capricorn singles. Romantic feelings. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. Great. For singles, Capricorn, your feelings are real. Explore them. Open up your heart to your partner, right? Trust in your partner. For some of you might be feeling whether whatever feelings I have or whatever feelings your partner have for you, are they real? You might be questioning for some of you. Yes, they are. And you try to explore it. Speak up with your partner. Speak up with the new love you have found or the existing love you have. Great. Okay, for the coupled Capricorn, engagement. Your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. Great. There might be something which you might be doing in the partnership, or you might have a new idea or something with which you both are taking your love life to that high level of commitment, right? There might be something you both might be doing for each other. You might be engaging in some of the other thing and taking your love life to that commitment. Here the engagement does not only mean to get engaged or to wear a ring, right? Here in the couples, the engagement also means you are engaging in some or the other thing. You both are engaging together with love in your life, right? Okay, Aquarius singles. What's there for Aquarius singles? What's there for my Aquarius singles? One card for Aquarius singles, please. What's there for my Aquarius singles? One card, please. Thank you. One card for Aquarius couple. What's there for my Aquarius couple? One card for Aquarius couple. Thank you. Okay. Aquarius single. Finances and career. Financial issues are a factor in your love life right now. Okay. Aquarius singles. This is the reason you might not find a new love, or for some of you who might have found a new love cannot express or cannot speak up because of the financial issues. Okay, need to resolve these financial issues and career. Stay focused on these finances and career of your life, and then you will definitely have a new love entering in your life, or you will definitely, for some of you, achieve the love you want, right? The right partner. Okay, for the couples, separation. Okay, time apart from your partner is on the horizon. Okay, so this for some of you means a divorce. For this, some of you, Aquarius, means you might be shifting, or the one of the couple, one of the partner might be shifting, right, from the job, might be having a new job and have to be shifted in some other city, some other place, some other country, right? So that is also a separation. Okay. Pisces. What's there for my Pisces single? What's the message for my single Pisces? For my singles Pisces, what's the message for my single Pisces? Okay. What's the message for my couple Pisces? What's the message for my couple Pisces? Message for my couple Pisces. What's the message for my couple Pisces? Thank you. Okay. Single Pisces, passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Great. You have a new romantic life, right? A new person in your life already exists, or there might be very soon a new person in your life, but you need to open up with that. Don't hesitate. You are lovable. You need to open up your heart. Just put up your heart and soul in the person you love, in the new romantic life, in your new romantic feelings, right? Okay, for the couple Pisces, deception. Someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. So this is a red flag for some of you Pisces coupled. It may be third party situation, extramarital affair, right? Maybe in the coupled, either of you are wearing a false mask. Just be careful. Speak up whatever is there, even if there is any extramarital affair. Just pick it up. Just be clear with your partner. In future, there will be No problem if you be clear with your partner. Pisceans. Whatever issues are there, try to resolve. Okay, thank you. So, this is it for all the zodiac signs for the month of February 2021. I repeat again, please remember this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with all. And my number is there in the description box, my mail ID is there. Feel free to call me or message me for your personal readings. So thank you friends, have a great day and have a great month ahead. Thank you so much.